Most of us grew up hearing that a normal menstrual cycle is 28 days. But here's the truth. Your body is not a calendar app. It doesn't refresh every 28 days on the dot. It responds to your life, your health, your sleep, your stress, and even your emotions. Today, we're breaking down in the simplest way possible why your menstrual cycle doesn't always follow that perfect 28-day rule. Let's start with what a menstrual cycle actually is. Think of it as your body preparing a room every month. The ovaries prepare an egg, and the uterus prepares a lining, like decorating the room, just in case a pregnancy happens. If pregnancy doesn't happen, the body clears everything out. That clearing out is your period. Then the process starts again. Simple. Now, here's the key part. This process doesn't run on a fixed stopwatch. For most people, a normal cycle is anywhere from 21 to 35 days. So, if yours is 26 days one month, 30 days the next, and 28 the month after, guess what? You're still normal. So why does the cycle change? Let's break it into very simple reasons. Reason 1. Your body is still learning or changing. If you're young, especially in your first few years of getting periods, your body is still figuring out how to balance hormones. So irregular cycles are very common. The same thing happens as people get older, especially in their late 30s and 40s. The body's hormone levels start shifting again, so the cycle becomes less predictable. It's just your body adjusting. Reason 2. Stress. Yes, real stress. Life stress, school stress, money stress, emotional stress. The body reacts to stress by slowing things down or delaying certain processes. Your brain sends signals to the rest of your body, and when you're stressed, those signals can get delayed. This can push your ovulation later, and when ovulation happens late, your period comes late. So yes, a stressful month can turn a 28-day cycle into a 34-day one. Reason 3. Sleep and lifestyle changes. Sleeping late, changing time zones, working night shifts, or simply having poor quality sleep can affect your cycle. Your body depends on regular sleep to keep hormones balanced. No balance equals delayed ovulation. Delayed ovulation equals delayed period. Reason 4. Weight changes, whether up or down. Your body likes balance. If you lose weight very quickly or gain weight very quickly, it can confuse your hormones. Very low body weight can make the body pause ovulation for a while. Higher body weight can change hormone levels too. So sudden weight changes commonly cause irregular cycles. Reason 5. Illnesses and underlying conditions. Some health issues can make cycles irregular. For example, thyroid problems, high prolactin, PCOS, certain infections. You don't need to memorize these terms. Just know when cycles are consistently irregular, not just once in a while, it's good to talk to a healthcare professional.
Reason 6. Medications. Certain medications, including hormonal birth control, can change your cycle. Some delay ovulation. Some stop it temporarily. Some make your bleeding lighter or heavier. Starting a new medication can shift your period for a few months.
Now let's talk about the 2 most common reasons most people's cycles shift month to month. Reason 1. Late ovulation. Your period doesn't decide when it shows up. Ovulation decides. If ovulation is early, the cycle becomes short. If ovulation is late, the cycle becomes long. And ovulation can be late for normal, everyday reasons. Stress, sickness, poor sleep, travel, emotional changes, long work hours, skipped meals. Your body is constantly listening to what's going on in your life. Reason 2. Your luteal phase is fixed. Here's something most people don't know. The second part of your cycle, the time from ovulation to your next period, is usually the same every month. It's normally 12 to 16 days. So again, everything depends on when ovulation happens. If ovulation comes late, the whole cycle becomes longer. If ovulation comes early, the whole cycle becomes shorter. Simple. Now let's answer
A question?
everyone asks. Is it normal for my cycle to change every month? Yes, completely normal. Your cycle can change by a few days even when you're perfectly healthy. Just like you don't wake up at the exact same minute every day, your body doesn't follow the calendar with perfect precision. A few days difference is nothing to worry about. Then what should I actually watch out for? Here are the real warning signs that may need medical attention. Cycles shorter than 21 days. Cycles longer than 35 to 40 days most months. Very heavy bleeding. Periods that suddenly disappear for months. Severe pain that stops you from doing daily activities. Bleeding between periods that keep happening. If you experience these often, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional. But if your cycle is just moving from 27 to 30 to 29, that is entirely normal. Tracking your cycle helps a lot. Using an app or simple calendar helps you understand your own pattern. Track. Day your period starts, day it ends, any major stress that month, sleep pattern changes, illness, travel, unusual symptoms. After 3 months, you'll start seeing your personal normal, and that's more important than the textbook 28-day rule. When should you see a doctor? Here's a simple rule. If your cycle is unpredictable every single month, and it's been like that for at least 3 to 6 months, get it checked. If not, your cycle is simply responding to life. Here's the big takeaway. Your body is not broken if your cycle isn't 28 days. It's normal. It's human. It's personal. Your menstrual cycle is a reflection of your lifestyle, your stress, your sleep, your hormones, and your overall being. It's not supposed to be the same every month, just like you don't eat the exact same thing every day, or wake up at the exact same second every day. Your cycle also shifts, and that's okay. So instead of thinking, why is my period late? What's wrong with me? Try thinking, what did my body respond to this month? Because your cycle is not a perfect timer. It's a messenger, and understanding it can help you understand you.
If this helped you understand your cycle better, hit like. Subscribe for more simple science-based explanations.
Thanks for watching.